So I really haven't addressed this over the whole last 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, whatever it is. I can't really pinpoint it, but I've been feeling like complete shit.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink.
And if you notice, my videos that I have been uploading are kind of, I don't know how to put it. They're re-uploads. I haven't done many workout vlogs, and it hasn't been a good, let's say, pretty streak of videos. Let's say I haven't been feeling very well. Let's put it that way. It's not a physical thing. It's not a medical thing. It's just how I have felt. And it's more of a mental thing. So I don't know what it is, where it's like I don't even want to work out. Like I'm just all over the place. I second guess every decision I'm making in terms of programming, what time to work out, if I feel like working out, all these things. My jiu-jitsu hobby has been all over the place as well. Just anything physical has been something that I just simply don't want to do. Okay? It's been very, very bad for the longest time. I've gained 15 pounds in about 4 months. The muscle mass is obviously still there. That takes a long time to go away. It's almost, unless you super detrain yourself, it's really hard for muscle mass to go away in that regard. Now, I'm making this video to show that things have and will be getting better. I had kind of a little revelation. I just sat down, had an honest conversation with myself about how I want to approach essentially life going forward, just because the lack of consistency in the workouts and training and stuff like that, that was just a byproduct of a whole bunch of other shit happening at the same time. But a lot of it was self-inflicted by me. Okay, a lot of it was self-inflicted by me. And one of the things has been this YouTube channel. Okay, I put a lot of pressure on myself to make videos that are going to perform well, to make videos that people want to watch. And I feel like when they don't get the traction that I think, I don't want to use the word deserve, because that's such an ungrateful, such a weird and loaded word to use. No one deserves shit. Okay? It's either you earned it or you didn't. No one deserves anything. So I don't want to use deserve. I want to feel like when it doesn't get the amount of views that is proportionate to the amount of work that I've put in. But then at the end of the day, I'm the one that can control that. I shouldn't just put up a video and expect it to go viral. I should be putting up a video because I enjoyed making the video, because I enjoyed the process of it. And I feel like I started linking everything to numbers. Now, I will admit, I think my YouTube channel is in the shitter. I'll be perfectly honest. The algorithm for social media is the fucking stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. It changes minute by minute. It rewards the stupidest shit in the world. This isn't just me being, let's say, a crybaby and just because my videos don't get a lot of views compared to some other people. No, it's true. The fucking most stupidest shit imaginable will go viral, because most people, I don't claim to be the smartest person on earth, but most people are stupid. I can full on say it. Most people are stupid. And that's what's going to get the clicks, especially now that there's a bunch of kids and teenagers in that age on social media. The stupidest stuff is going to get rewarded. And so I always felt like I was putting in so much work with this YouTube channel and I was getting next to nothing. So when I see a video that I even spent, I don't know, maybe from start to finish, from filming to ending, if that's a 2-hour process and it gets like a sub 1,000 views, I would have literally rather spent the 2 hours slamming my head into a wall than have done that video. Anything at this point of sub 1,000 views, to me, I look at that as a failure. And just because my mindset has changed doesn't mean my mindset will change on that. I have almost, it's approaching, I don't know if it's just over 12,000 or approaching 13,000. That's how many followers I have. And I'm not expecting every single one of my followers to watch every single one of my videos. That is a ridiculous thing. I don't think there's really any YouTube channel or social media page where that happens. People fall behind. There are people I follow where I don't get to watch every single one of their videos, so I shouldn't really expect everyone else to watch every single one of my videos. However, when I'm getting less than like a 2% retention rate when it comes to videos, that's when I get a little bit frustrated. So one of those things has been almost attaching my self-worth to this YouTube channel, which is obviously going to be a recipe for disaster. Then when I look at myself as I got a little bit fluffier, a little bit fatter, whatever you want to call it, and my performance has gone down, let's say, that frustrates me. I'm no one's aging in reverse. Everyone's getting older. I just turned 34 about a week ago, and that frustrates me that time could have been spent towards other things. However, you can only look forward. You can't look back. I was very frustrated with jiu-jitsu and why I'm not progressing in that realm. Then I'm looking at how much money I'm making. So it was just a storm of everything at once. And then, like I said, I just sat down and had an honest conversation with myself. No one's bought a program off me in months. However, I have not advertised in months. So there are things that I know how to fix these things, but it just, because I had so much to do, I ended up doing nothing. So instead of looking at it as an opportunity to be busy and be productive, I just shut down and kind of did nothing at the same time. So I also just got married a few months ago. I uploaded the video 3 years ago or 2 years ago when I proposed to my wife. So that was a stressor in itself, making sure that was all planned nicely, all the coordination. For anyone that's married, male or female, watching this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So there was stress in that regard. It was just a lot of stress. Let's put it that way. It was a lot of stress. And I feel like the doing nothing sometimes makes the stress go away, but in this regard, the doing nothing made the stress even worse. So that's what I had to be honest with myself. It's like, sure, have I gotten a little slower? Have I gotten a little fatter? Has my just overall conditioning and cardio gone down? Yes. But it's not because of age. It's not. As much as people and myself in this instance would like to blame it on age, it's not. It's due to my lack of activity. It's due to my lack of not moving forward. It's due to my lack of not watching what I'm eating. It's due to my lack of just not caring. And that's what happened. So this video is almost like a fresh start, a comeback towards just the YouTube channel in general. I have to stop putting limits, but also like frustration, put that aside. Because if a video doesn't do well, let's just hope the next one does well. And let's hope I'm doing all the things right to make the video succeed. That's where you kind of come into play. I can only have a successful channel with you guys. I say this all the time. Number one thing I want from a subscriber is just a comment. But I want a comment maybe asking me a question, which a lot of people do. It's engagement. If I wanted to have these conversations with myself, I would simply turn off the camera and have these conversations with myself. The funnest part about having a YouTube channel and social media and having a subscriber base is interacting with your subscribers. That's what I thought this was, right? So that's the number one thing you can do to help. And then I had another epiphany. Instead of looking at it like I'm frustrated, how about I document this whole, let's say, comeback, and maybe it will give someone else the motivation who has kind of slid down in performance. So I feel like I have a lot of series that I'm brainstorming, but one of them will be me getting into really good shape again. Making sure my strength numbers are where they should be, my body composition is where it should be. I just feel good in general. Cardio, all that stuff, all the realms of physical activity. So that's what this series is going to be. Hopefully it gives me the motivation and it gives someone else the motivation to help change their life around. So if you like this video, ladies and gentlemen, like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And as always, class is dismissed.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or